We're already neutral on one airline stock, so why not get bullish on another? Today's cherry bomb has us doing just that, so if you're ready, put your trade tables up because this cherry bomb's about to take off. Hi everybody, it's Neil here again. It's Thursday, June 4th, 2020, and of course we're putting on a trade today in Southwest Airlines, or LUV. I say of course, assuming you're getting these emails from Tasty Trade like I am. Head on down to that description if you're new to get a link over to Tasty Trade's email sign-up page. And I just want to thank you in advance for those of you that stop by and leave me the likes and leave me the comments. It really is something that gives me a lot of confidence that I'm doing something that benefits you. So thank you in advance for hitting that like button, or even leaving me a comment would be even better. Let me know if you're going to put this trade on today, or your thoughts on it. So moving right along, we can see here on the screen, we see LUV and how it has definitely been on a rapid rise back up. We even see that it gapped here at around that $30 mark. When it got there, it said, okay, we got that, and has been coming up quite a bit even still after that. However, when I turn my eye over to the futures here, it is looking like we're having a bit of a down day here. So I would expect to see this come down a little bit today. So if that's the case, if you feel like me that you got the same premonition here, you might want to wait a little bit after open to see what happens before you put this trade on, but we're going to build it out anyway. So let's head on over to that Analyze tab. Let's go over to the Add Simulated Trade. And here we are in the July 10th weeklies with 36 days to expiration. Here's our $30 strike. And we're going to click once, left click on the bid to sell a put here. And this is 1. It may be 10 for you. You have to adjust yours depending on the size of the trade you want to do. We trade small and trade often here with the Tasty Trade approach. So we're going to keep this to one contract. The mid price here between 60 and 80 cents here is going to be 70, so we'll tick that up here to 70. Then I'll head on over to the risk profile and set our slices to break even at expiration. The expiration here, make sure your calendar up here says July 10th, because that's our expiration for this trade. And we see we're staring at an almost 82% probability. So the probabilities of this being a successful trade for us are very high. So that's good news. But what may not be good news to some of you, depending on if you are thinking about putting this on in a real account, right, is the amount of loss you could potentially take, right? Now, is it likely that LUV is going to be bankrupt? Probably not. Would you mind owning some shares of LUV? Maybe. Maybe not, right? You could always then do other things to reduce your cost basis. But in the event that this is something that's a little bit, to you, we could always take a quick look at building out a short put vertical. Why not? Let's do that. So on the fly here. So because we're looking to get probably good probabilities, and we're looking to follow the Tasty Trade approach here of collecting 1/3 the width of the strikes here. So we're going to take this one up a few dollars rather than being at the 30. Let's try the 34. Analyze, sell. We're going to go to vertical. Do a 34 short put with a 32 long put as insurance, so that caps our losses, right? We're looking at roughly 1/3 of the width of the strikes for a $2 wide strikes. We hit the risk profile on this one, and instead of being an 82% probability of profit, almost certainly when you do a vertical, you're going to reduce your profit, and we're also moving closer to at the money, right? You're going to reduce your probabilities of profit. But what we gain instead, though, is that the ability to sleep at night that the most we're risking here, right? Confirm and send, which really should be confirm then send. I don't know why it says that. So $66 is our maximum profit, but our maximum loss right here is $134. So we're looking at a similar credit with a lot less potential money on the table, right? So with these guys here, you definitely get a good return on capital if you make even 50% of this, right? So that is the two trades that you could probably consider putting on today. One being a short put, one being a short put vertical. Once again, though, I'm not actually going to route this like I normally do because I want to see if I have that opportunity, maybe during lunch break or something, to see what has happened after the dust settles, after the open, to put this trade on. So thank you again so much for joining us for today's Cherry Bomb. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow in our final Cherry Bomb trade of the week.